Like you, I teach at Azusa Pacific University. As Christian educators, we have answered God's call to nurture, encourage, and equip our students for success. Like you, I want the best for my students. So imagine how badly I felt when I found out that despite my good intentions, I was sometimes hurting some of my students. Unknowingly, I was discouraging them, suppressing their participation, and hampering their academic performance. I had no idea I was doing that. I have since learned that without honest self-reflection and a humble spirit, you and I can't see how our classrooms are sometimes insulting, insensitive, and disrespectful to students from backgrounds different than our own. In support of APU's commitment to God-honoring diversity, you are about to experience learning from your students' perspective. It is our hope that you will have an open mind and a heart willing to value their feelings and their diverse perspectives. Whether your students are undergraduate or graduate, face-to-face or online, we'll explore ways to identify and eliminate hidden barriers that may be sabotaging your classroom. The strategies will enable all of your students to benefit from a respectful, inclusive, and productive learning environment that honors Jesus Christ.